Let us see the exercise. Last period we have learned about abstract noun and concrete noun. Abstract noun means name of means that nouns are name of a person, animal, thing or place which can be seen physically. We call them concrete noun. Okay? And abstract noun, the nouns which words are showing relationship, qualities, ideas, feelings. These nouns are called abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelled or tasted. The nouns we cannot touch, we cannot heard or we cannot see the noun. For example, here given the bravery. Can you see the bravery? No. Can you see the beauty? No, we cannot see the beauty of nature, but we can feel. Okay, so we cannot touch, we cannot heard or smell. So this type of noun called abstract noun. Let us do the exercise. First, write whether the underlined word is a concrete or an abstract noun. Here we have to underline they have given the underlined words. We have to find or we have to identify it is concrete or abstract noun. See the first example. My mom is going to visit the dentist today. My mom is going to visit the dentist today. Here underline the dentist. Can you see the dentist? Yes, we can see it physically. So it is concrete noun. Concrete noun. Next, B. Honesty is the best policy. Underline here honesty. Can you see the honesty? No, we cannot see. So it is abstract noun. Third, the kittens look very cute. Here the kittens, we can see the physical of this animal. So your kitten is concrete noun. D. We wish him luck for his cricket match. You underline word luck. Can you see the luck? Anybody luck? No. We cannot see. We cannot feel. And we could not or we cannot smell. So this noun it's called abstract noun. E number. Sita visited her uncle last week. Here underline word noun it is uncle. So uncle it is here physical person. We can see it is physically. So it is concrete noun. Next, Tenali came up with a great idea. Here underline word idea. It is the imaginary as well as we cannot see the idea, we cannot feel, we cannot taste, we cannot smell. So this noun it's called abstract noun. Did you understand what is abstract noun and concrete noun? Next, we have a lot of hope for the future. Here hope it is given the underline here. So it is, can you see the hope? No. So it is also abstract noun. We cannot feel it. We cannot touch the hope. H. The people were happy to see the shop. Here people, we can see the people. So it is concrete noun. Physically it is people are available. That's why it's a concrete noun. Next, you will be tired if you don't get enough sleep. Can you see the underline word here? Sleep. Yes. Can you touch the sleep? Can you feel the sleep? No, no one can see the sleep. So it is abstract. Abstract noun. Next, everyone appreciated his wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge. Okay, can you see anybody's knowledge? No. So it is also abstract noun. Next, question number 2. Write the abstract nouns of the underlined adjectives. Here we have to write here abstract noun of the underlined adjectives here. First, a brave soldier, bravery. Bravery, it is here it's a abstract noun. Next, rude person, rudeness. Next, innocent, innocence. Next, gentle, lamb, innocent baby. It's a innocent, it is the adjective. We have to write here abstract noun. Innocence. Gentle, a gentle lamb. Gentle is gentleness. Honest, honesty. Strong wrestler. स्ट्रॉन्ग रेसलर का क्या आएगा ऑन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन स्ट्रेंथन. Strength. And angry dog, it's a anger. Abstract noun come anger. Happy child, it's come happiness. All of you have to complete this exercise, question number 2, and learn the abstract noun. Let us complete the next unscramble letters in brackets to get the qualities we admire. First, he likes to share what he has with the others. Here jumble words given. So it's come generosity. Generosity. Next, B, he is very humble. Unscramble word is given. He is very humble. Humility. We have to write here. Third, she is gentle and caring. Here are unjumble words. Unscramble words are given. So we have to write here kindness. D, she never lies dash dash. Unscramble words are given. So we have to write here honesty. E, a dog is very faithful. Loyalty. F, he never boasts of his good looks. Modesty. You are given the scramble word, so I wrote here modesty. All of you complete the exercise and learn the words. Read it 3 times. Okay, read all the question 3 times.